we've got the wet wall into the garage to be cut. It's still got its plastic covering on for protection, and we've measured the wall numerous times, and now it's just being measured, marked and cut. I'm obviously being a lot of help. Oh man.
That's really rubbish.
Did you remember to do the little extra things for the corner bits?
Yeah, we're doing it 800 because it's meant to be 810, but I don't. If it's.
Make it too big rather than too small if we're worried.
Yep.
Cool. When's your art exhibition coming down?
When do you stop me doing this damn shepherd tour?
Done at the end of May. In fact, you won't have anything else to do once this
Oh yeah, I have nothing to do.
bathroom's
Hilarious.
done and the skirting board, so you can just
Right.
concentrate on the front room.
Can you go to the shepherd hut and get your granddad's set square, please?
I certainly can.
The big black. It's in...
Measured out on both sides, black marks with the ends, and now we've just drawing down an old bit of wood. Are you stressing?
I'm trying to. Just everything I see to touch. Turn.
Is it the day to be cutting wet wool then?
What?
Is it the day to be cutting wet?
Can you pass me the other piece?
The short bit?
Yep.
Beep, beep, beep. Oops.
Please don't hit the lady.
That's fine, not so heavy, sorry. Oops. Don't want to give you another job.
No.
That's what we're doing now, Craig.
Traxor across. Cut. Ready?
Go, go, go.
Yeah, that didn't rip the other side.
Oh, should we have a look?
Can you have a look?
Do you not want to look?
No,
You're a bit scared.
have to get it underneath.
It's pretty damn good.
Is it clean?
Yeah?
You sure?
Yeah.
Just this side is chipped.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Shall I carry on having a look? Ah, it's okay. It's got an end bit.
Sorry?
No, it's pretty good
it should
actually.
be clean.
I wouldn't say it's clean, but it's not like the other side. It's just.
Is it chipping it?
No, it's not chipping it. It's just. It's not like you've sanded it, you know? It's fine, I promise you.
Sure?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What are you looking for?
Goggles.
Goggles? Oh, yeah.
They're all in there. God, if you think this side's bad, you wait until we do the other side.
I'm not looking forward to that one at all, especially the bendy bit. The curve. Dun, dun, dun. Health and safety, folks. Health and safety. Down, down, down.
As this is a shepherd's hut and made of wood, you can imagine that not all walls are square. So this is me struggling trying to get this to actually go in without me damaging everything else.
Nothing. Oh, up a bit.
No,
on the bottom.
That cable hole.
Yeah.
This is where the cable is.
Huh? Do we need to drill out a bit of the board behind it then?
Behind, so the cable hole is in the same place.
That's alright. Nice, easy job. Let's just make sure everything else fits and is in the right height. It's not your day job, don't worry. Do you need some help? Get your drill.
Go on then. What are you doing?
I can't do it with the wire there.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Let's
what
make
do you
sure
want
it
to do?
fits
Yeah,
and then we'll pull it through, yeah? Sorry, I paused your music to go off. So just drilled a hole with them to find it. Tap, tap, tap. All the way along. Make sure it's all level. Take measure to find the ligation and X marks the spot. Drilly drilly. Oh.
Can you hold that?
Yeah. So we're trying to place the first board. Which screws we got in place.
Sorry?
For the strips are in the way, so Craig's just removing them now, and then we're going to place it. So I'm off to help before he goes mad.
Yeah.
Woo! That's a perfect fit. Well done, you. Oh man, mega proud of you. Well done. You feeling happy?
What do you want to do when this is on there?
Oh yes.
I can't tell because it's glass. Can you move this glass out of the way, please?
Yeah.
So after much fun with the shower curtain or shower sides, we've now got to a point where we can put the stud walling in, ready in anticipation for the new wall which we're about to build and we're about to show you. Well, we've had a delivery for the shepherd's hut for this wall that we're making. So now I've got a pile of pallets to get through. So I started stripping these. Takes a little while because half the nails are bent, so they're going to be cut off. Hence I've got my little cutter. So yeah, lots of fun to be had for the next couple of hours, I guess. So hopefully I can get on with start doing the wall in the shepherd's hut, which would be nice. Then I can move on to car projects, which would be nice. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Right, welcome to our Tuesday evening of me and wifey trashing the pallets. She's getting quite good at this.
Just getting very health and safety conscious.
No.
Like shoes. The right ones.
Yeah, we've got the right shoes. the next one. And yay, it's that easy. Glad we brought the right tool. Smile. She likes damaging stuff.
Ow.
Oh, don't stand on a nail. God. Well, we'll be off to hospital for a tetanus in a minute.
Not as bad as you're better when you're right.
I didn't realise you could do two at once.
Yeah.
I get you. Speed demon. Speed.
I don't want to be out here any longer than I have to be.
You big wuss.
Just put the kids to bed.
Ah. Right, I'm going to end it now. Say bye to the camera.
Cheerio.
Smile. Chief Nailer.
I'm dressed for it.
Yeah, what are you dressed for? Certainly haven't put the walls in.
Oh well.
Just for all occasions. You broke the noggin, haven't you?
You ran out.
Quick video where the electrics are for Dave if he needs it. Right. Wait 1 second.
Oh, sorry. Apologies.
You asked me. Right, so cables coming in where that cross is down there, so up here, yep. Happy days. Same this side, we haven't put a cross yet, it's got a fucking hole. So yeah, there, then cable going up the wall, the light, cable coming in here. Cool, should we get Big Deadly D?
I think that you shouldn't have me on camera because my
Why?
hair is really awful.
Well, it's going on Facebook in a minute.
Oh, Christ, go away.
Go away. With your dongers. Let's have a look inside.
Can you stop that again?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put me away.
Right. So, excuse the shower. Shower's not done until it's not in. I quite like it. It's amazing what you can do with a saw. Well, pretty happy. Are we happy?
Lovely. It's mainly got the pencil marks off. Look at the walls. Look at the walls. I have a few paint touch-ups to do. Oh man. Shh, shh, don't tell the husband. Oops. Oops, so daisy. Hello, hello. Round 2 of the protection of wood. Yes, you just get the veggies out. Can I look? I don't want that. Russian music, that's sometimes that would be easy to get in.
It is nice.
We got some natural stuff to make, don't we?
I can't see you.
That's alright. I don't mind.
Hang on. Still can't see you.
Never mind.
Now they can see you. Now you're in shot.
Great. Thanks for that.
Right.
Shall I do the top? Let me do the top, and then I don't have to use this horrible ladder again. When I say there's nothing wrong with the ladder, it's just me.
You've got the biggest one. There's a small one of those, and it won't kill you.
I like the fact that it's got a paint holdy
It's
thing
brilliant.
up there.
Yes.
It's only because I don't like ladders, that's all. Anything to do with
Realise
height.
that that's a hook. Is there a hook that side as well?
No!
That's a paint hook.
Oh!
Is there one that side? I can't. No, there isn't because it's a lot there. Easy.
That's amazing! That means I could. Oh, and it's still too high for me. There needs to be a hook
Oh,
there.
for God's
Can
sake.
you put a hook there?
Yes, I probably can.
Thank you.
Oh, you want one there?
For the short people. No, you're right. You crack on with what you're doing. I'll cope for now.
It's a main one, Jesus. I'll have to drill it.
Why don't you just make something 3D printer?
No.
Over.
No.
A bit too
I'll
brittle.
drill it and put a screw in it.
I can't get it off now. Ooh. Cheers.
Oh, actually, yeah, that's really good.
Did you forget?
I didn't know. Has it
What?
got a smaller version?
Yeah,
it
yeah.
has got a smaller version.
Yeah, I use
That's
the little
good.
one on there.
Good.
That's why I like this.
So if I get the smaller ladder, that'll have the same on it. I'll go get it.
Is it the same
Yeah,
leg?
yeah, same thing.
If it's smaller, then it might mean that the hook suits me. If it's the
It
hook
will,
as
because
well.
you're kind of cramped up in there. Yeah. Let's change the ladder. Let's get this one out. It's too big.
Well, go and get the other one first. Let's make sure it's appropriate for me.
It is. I know it is.
I am still going to have to get up here, you know.
Yeah, I know. The other one's much better.
Because I've got the other colour. Okay, sweet. Thanks.
Yeah.